In the tumultuous decade of the 1970s, a new dawn was rising on the global stage. The world, battered by the aftermath of World War II, grappled with unprecedented challenges, from environmental degradation to social inequality. Amidst this turmoil, a group of visionaries embarked on a monumental journey to redefine humanity's relationship with the planet and each other. The crisis was palpable. Industrialization had run rampant, leaving a trail of pollution in its wake. Forests were disappearing at an alarming rate, and species were vanishing from the earth. Meanwhile, the gap between the rich and the poor was widening, exacerbating social unrest and political instability. Aware of these looming threats, a group of leaders, scientists, and activists convened in Stockholm, Sweden in 1972. The occasion was the United Nations Conference on the Human Environment, a historic event that marked the first time the world came together to discuss the environmental consequences of human activity. The conference was a catalyst for change. Delegates from 113 nations gathered to share their concerns and propose solutions. Among them was Maurice Strong, the Canadian diplomat who served as the conference's Secretary General. Strong's powerful speech, urging the world to think global, act local, resonated with the attendees and galvanized the movement for sustainable development. Following the conference, the global community began to take action. In 1983, the United Nations created the World Commission on Environment and Development, tasked with crafting a comprehensive plan for sustainable development. The Commission, led by Gro Harlem Brundtland, a Norwegian politician, proposed the groundbreaking report, Our Common Future, in 1987. The report defined sustainable development as development that meets the needs of the present without compromising the ability of future generations to meet their own needs. This simple yet profound statement encapsulated the essence of the Sustainable Development Agenda, which would come to shape global policy for decades to come. In 1992, the United Nations convened the Earth Summit in Rio de Janeiro, Brazil. The summit marked a turning point in the global conversation about sustainable development. The Agenda 21, a non-binding action plan of the United Nations for Sustainable Development, was adopted by 178 countries. It provided a blueprint for achieving sustainable development at local, national, and global levels. The Sustainable Development Agenda continues to guide the world's efforts to balance economic growth, social equity, and environmental protection. Today, as we face new challenges such as climate change and biodiversity loss, the principles established during the 1970s remain as relevant as ever. The journey towards a sustainable future began in the tumultuous decade of the 1970s, and it continues today, driven by the collective will of nations, communities, and individuals working together to preserve our planet for generations to come.